So today we're going to show you how to make fog in a jar. First, we'll go ahead and go through our materials. You'll need a glass jar of some sort, some hot water, a strainer, and then some ice cubes. It may also be helpful to have a towel nearby in case you have any spills, along with a dark piece of paper or material that you can put behind the jar to see the fog a little easier. So next, what you'll want to do is you'll pour your hot water that you heated in either the microwave or on the stove into your glass jar. So you want to fill it all the way up as close to the top as you can. And that'll get the glass nice and hot. Then you'll empty it out until there's just about an inch or two left in the bottom of the jar. So once you've done that, you'll want to get your ice ready. Put your ice in your strainer, and then you put your strainer on top. And hopefully you'll start to see some fog forming inside. We'll put this dark background behind it to try to show the fog a little easier. So we're starting to see some swirling around inside. So what's happening here is our warm, moist air is coming up from our hot water, and it's colliding with our cold air that the ice is providing. So when those two collide, we get our fog forming in the middle. Thanks for watching!